So we are in Pastéis de Belém. And we're going to get the traditional lemon tart. There is a secret to getting in here, and I will show you as soon as we finish. Alright guys, so 2 lemon tarts and 2 sparkling waters cost us €4.90.
Let's walk out and show that.
Alright, so we're going to show you the crazy lines to get in and out. Okay, let's try not to get run over by strollers. Alright, so there's 2 queues. You want to walk to the very far, the door here, at the very far end of the building, right? On the right side, right before you get to the Portuguese arts and crafts place, right? This is the door you want to go into to just buy your tarts and leave. This is the queue to get into the restaurant to sit down. So if you see these signs, there's counter service, and then this queue over here is for service de mesa, which is table service. So don't be intimidated by the line. Okay guys, so this is the pastry. Lord, sorry. It tastes more like an egg custard. It's served warm, or it could have just been hot as hell in there. There was no air conditioning in that place, by the way. So no air con, just anywhere. But it tastes okay. I wouldn't get it again. It's okay. It's okay. Probably not going to finish mine. Would you like the rest, Jason?
Yep.
Okay. What'd you think about it?
It's okay.
It's okay? Yeah. So I'm going to drink my water, and we are back at the bus stop here. That's our stop. We're standing underneath the shade of a tree while we wait for our bus to arrive.